Let's see how to configure device with SWYAM app. Navigate to your choice of room, for example bedroom. Click on plus icon. Long press button on the device up to 5 seconds until LED starts blinking faster. It will broadcast an AP hotspot with the name SWYAM_AP. If your mobile internet is on, first of all, turn off the internet. Click on Wi-Fi settings. Connect your phone to the newly created hotspot named SWYAM_AP using the password SWYAM at 23 if asked. Make sure your mobile is connected to the newly created hotspot, SWYAM_AP. Once connected, tap the button that says, "My mobile is connected with the device" to confirm your connection. Allow SWYAM to access your device's location. Select the router you want to connect the device to, and enter the password for the selected router. Wait until the LED on the device becomes stable, then confirm by selecting either the stable or blinking button. If the LED is stable, your device will be configured successfully. Else retry the process.